Hey, Ron Janish here, giving you a quick recap of the week and see what may happen next week. The You can see previous forecasts by simply going to andrewscourse.com and clicking on the news page. This is the Russell Index, and if you remember, when prices were back here, I was saying, hey, watch for new highs. These are the old highs. We haven't made it there yet. As you can see with this trend line coming in here, it's going to slow things down a bit. But new highs are definitely in the cards. What about the S&P and the Dow? If we make new highs in the S&P and the Dow, it would be a time to be rather cautious because of something in the pattern, and let's leave it at that. Okay. Let's move on to other things. If you remember in my video regarding how to make targets, I suggested that this one here, this is the Treasury notes, are going to go down and hit this line way down here somewhere. Now remember, this line can be extended for quite some time. So in other words, price can just kind of meander and go downish, 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 and eventually make a major pivot way, way down here. We'd really have to see it with our action reaction lines. So he said that for the T notes. Let's take a look at the other one. It was the Canadian dollar. And Canadian dollar, we are looking for prices to be up in this range here, about halfway between this median line and that far parallel. And how we calculated that was in the in the video earlier this week. So we would use the action reaction lines to determine approximately where that would be along this particular line here, so to speak. That is invisible. Now, Australian dollar, this one here, looking if we can get lower prices here. Notice I have it says here limit order. That's not where I'd really put an order in, but I would be interested if prices would go down and make some new lows. That would get my attention and perhaps getting me to buy some, which could happen next week, the week after, or in a few weeks. Japanese yen, same thing. If we can go and make some new lows, this could get my attention and perhaps get me to buy. Crude oil, crude oil. Crude oil, not so crude. Time for it to go down. Okay, 71.43 is where we went short. Let's see, right now price at 70.68. 71.43 is about here. And what's the target area? Well, it would be somewhere around the median line. And so that would be around here somewhere. Now let's take a look at heating oil. Heating oil, same kind of thing. Short up here, 21.08. Closed a little bit above that today. And target area somewhere down here. So we'll wait and see what happens. Anyway, have a great week. Thanks. andrewscourse.com is the place to be. If you want the insights as to what we're going to trade when, you've got to join our private discussion group. That's only available at no cost, of course, to course members. Thank you for your time. Bye.